Do your clients know how much you care about them? Here's 4 quick tips to make sure that you do. Number 1, ask them what they want. Use questionnaires to collect information about your target market before they ever become your customer. And then use forms to collect feedback every step of the way. Your clients will tell you what they like and what they don't like if you'll only give them a way to do so. Number 2, give great customer service. Be responsive and never leave the client hanging. If they call, return the call. If they email, return the email. If you have a busy schedule and you can't be as responsive as you should be, hire a great VA to help you cover that base. Number 3, over-deliver. This is not difficult. Just be your awesome self. Brainstorm and ask yourself, how can I show myself even more awesome here? If your customers aren't telling you how awesome you are, you're probably not being very awesome, so step it up. Number 4, be sorry when you mess up. If you are ever in the wrong, admit it, but don't just apologize and then forget about it. Make it right. Ask for forgiveness, and when they give it to you, thank them for it. This is Remy from Social Power VA, and I'd love the chance to show you how much we care about our clients. Come to socialpowerva.com to learn more.